What it do, YouTube? We back. Hold up. Let me turn the mic on. Mic check. We here, man. Welcome back, man. Hey, man. Say, man. Another little late night vlog in the whip, man. I know. It's been longer than what I expected. I did just drop one, though, man. It been getting a couple of views last time I seen. I dropped one at midnight. I said, hey, man, late night vibes. Midnight, put it out, man. I ain't gonna hurt nothing, so I did it. But, yeah, man, I'm just about to cruise through the city for a little minute, you feel me? Gas tank almost on full, so might as well. I filled up this morning at like 3 a.m., 3:30 a.m. I ain't gonna lie. Me being outside for a long time start hurting my eye. It's like either one of my eyes just feel like a whole lot of, I don't know, it feel like pressure behind it. So hopefully some sleep will get rid of that. But right now it's 1:46 a.m. I was up at 3 a.m. Yeah, going into, Today's Sunday, so I was up 3 a.m. on Saturday. Took a little nap, got to recording videos. I'm back in motion. That new Madden came out, so I've been on that new Madden 26. If you had early access, you had it a week early. I guess they trying to keep up with 2K, because 2K announced that if you pre-order with certain editions, you get 7 days early access instead of the normal 3. And man said, nope, we're going to do 7 days with y'all. I'm like, dang, y'all some copycats. But, yeah, man. How y'all been, man? I've been great. I feel truly blessed. I'm thankful for everybody who watched my video, like my video, comment, share, click on, click off. Hey, I appreciate any of it. Like, I know some people, they struggle to get one view. Hopefully they, get the opportunity, somebody watch it and enjoy it. It's truly a blessing to, you can inspire somebody, give them entertainment, knowledge, or whatever. I'm just thinking back, it was probably the last 2K, it was a youngin' used to come on my page and ask for dating advice from with a girl that's in his class. You just like, that's one of the first interactions consistently I had with a subscriber. Like, hey, what advice do you have for this situation? And I do my best to give him situations like, if I was in it, this is what I would do. And like similar situations I've been in the past, like this is what works for me. You feel me? Just, advice from a older person to a younger. Well, that's transformed to more people and everything. As far as videos, I got a plan better car video scheduling. God dang. At least they got the gas station still open. They redoing that Kroger, like, they gutted it. I just need to do better planning with recording these car videos. Because it's really just me getting in the car and just driving somewhere. Like, hey, where I'm driving to today. Like today, we driving around. Like, we was really down the street from downtown, but we really gonna just drive around till we get to like a certain part, and then, you feel me, I'm gonna just ride around blasting my music till I make it home. Car rides is therapy for me. It might be the same thing for some of y'all. Some of y'all just getting experience of what it's like driving in this car. And I ain't nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. But for me riding around listening to music, the reason why I started doing these is I actually got the idea from, I don't know if y'all know who Quan is. He a YouTuber. He had a channel called More Quan, and he used to do this with his cars, just drive around in them. And it's like a POV perspective. I was like, ooh. I didn't do it right off, but that's where the inspiration came from, because I was like, I'm always riding around in my car listening to music. I used to take the long way home. Like, I would pass the street to my house to go around just to listen to a couple of songs. Like, oh, these are 2 songs I want to listen to before I make it home. But if I turn on my street, it's going to be less than 30 seconds before I get home. So I'm going to take the long way. Then it was times like I couldn't sleep at night. I just get in my car and ride around to music. Sometimes be like, man, I was planning on going out. I went to sleep and overslept. Now it's 2 a.m. and guess what? I can't get into the clubs anymore because they stopped letting people in around 2 a.m. And I still got to get dressed, freshen up and stuff. But I was like, hey, guess what? I can just go, because I take a shower twice a day. So it ain't like I'm funky. So I'm like, hey, I just ain't got to take a shower right now. But I'm going to brush my teeth just in case, something fine walk up on my car. Yeah. But I ain't the type that parking lot pimp, though, me personally. Because I don't want the car I drive to be the indicator of if it's a yes or no for your information. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I think my wordplay is good enough for me. Put it like this. I never pulled up on a girl trying to show my car to get her. That's just me personally. But if I snatch, oh yeah, she more than welcome to see it. And then, oh, you that? All right, say less. Well, I just be, minding my business, grinding relentless. But yeah. And, I was supposed to do this while I was taking a shower. I like to watch YouTube videos while taking a shower or Country Wayne skits, one or the other. Sometimes listen to music, but that's my two, man. I'm looking to get another car, depending on how my YouTube do by the end of the year. But I don't want to put the car in my name. I want to put it in my YouTube name. So I've been meaning to research how to do that. Like, do it gotta be like a business name, LLC type thing? Do they look at how much money the business made, et cetera, et cetera? And I got a couple cars in mind I'm looking at. Just a couple. No money down. But, we'll see how the rest of this year go, it's August. I'm motivated to drop at least 2 videos a day, hopefully more if I can get the content created for it. But at least 2 videos a day. Ain't gonna lie, outside of Saturday morning, I was able to drop all month a video at like between 7 and 8 a.m. all month so far. Today my first video came out at 12, around noonish. I came the wrong way. But it's cool. It's cool, it's cool. I meant to go by this college, TSU. That was the route I meant to take. But it's cool. You know, a little detour. About the same distance either way. It's really crazy how it's two hospitals within 2 blocks of each other. Like, you can literally see both hospitals from right here. Y'all can't see it, but I can see it. Like, they on the left side. And I ain't talking about like 2 hospital buildings. It's like 2 full hospital, whatever you want to say, like same time as it got like all the same time as type of hospital, the children's, regular, emergency, etc. Then you got the Centennial. You got the Centennial, the emergency, children's and women's, etc., etc. All right, God dang, all within 2 blocks of each other. I wonder which one came first, Centennial Park or Centennial Hospital. Well, they out here late trying to ride them bikes. The park closed. I should call the police. They did a late night run, didn't they? There's a lot of cars at the park. It must be doing some activities. They outside talking, trying to get in. What do you think people do at the park after midnight? Drop a comment and let me know what you think. All right. I think we made it to our final destination for this video, y'all. I'm going to be back sooner than you think with these car vlogs, man. I'm going to be back sooner than you think. Real soon, like soon, like real soon. But hey, gonna do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.